if you're a car person or even just a kid from the early 2000s, I think building things is in our blood, and because of that we all picked up projects. And if you're a car guy, you picked up a project car, and if you had that project car, very often it got left to the wayside because, you know, other things take priority in life, and usually the project cars aren't those things that have the priority. But this one's mine, and over the years it's given us a lot of good memories, a lot of fun, a lot of things we've learned with it. It's been it's pretty much a solid rock throughout our enthusiast life, and we thought today it really deserved to be taken care of because it's really just been left to the side, and it needs to be brought back to life in the right way, in the way an enthusiast should bring their project car back to life. So today we're going to do that. We're going to be bringing my project car back to life. So welcome to the vlog, guys. Step one for bringing your project car back to life is it's going to be clearing out the driveway so you have some space to work. Now believe me, my car's been through a lot, like a hell of a lot. Like, you saw the state of it in that opening. But we're definitely going to be doing our best to save it. We're going to put in as much effort as we can. Today, pretty much just going to be starting it up. We bought a new battery because the old one was flooded. My bad, you know, car gets thrown to the side and it really just doesn't matter. But yeah, we're going to start it up and we're going to give it a good clean. That's going to be step one in getting this car back on the road. And the reason we want to do that is because right now, if we did get it started, the way it sits with my current seating setup like that, you know, it means absolutely no one else can do donuts in this car because there's actually no seating. So because I'm very bonded to this car, I can pretty much drive it through hell without seats or steering because I'm attached, but no one else can. And I really want this car to give everyone else as much fun as it's given me. I want Natalie to learn donuts in it. I want Alec to learn donuts. I want all our friends to learn how to do donuts in this car. So we're gonna get it to that point, to the point where anyone could do a donut in my Z3. So let's start with that. Let's get this out the way. Let's pull this a little bit back here and let's start cleaning this baby. Let's go. Okay, so we got Nats here finally, and she's moving her car out the way like a brilliant fiance.
We should be cleaning my car, let's be real.
I think we can do that too. It's in a poor state. Do you guys even want to see? Look how bad this is. How bad her car is. Also, another problem we learned that she has is, oh, it's on the other side. It's breaking. We're gonna have to fix that too. Guys, if you have a nice car, you know it's really hard to keep your nice car nice. And if it's a black one, it's even more difficult. And this one is really teaching me how to keep things nice. So next up, what we have to do is empty out the storage unit that my boot has become, because we've got a few things. Very interestingly enough, Ben's old diff, the one that we welded shut, we also have part of his soft top for some reason. Just gonna leave that there. We have my old car cover, which I used to use religiously when I did not have this soft top. And then I put this soft top on and had it for maybe 3 days or 4 days or a week or something. And then someone so kindly felt that I needed more aerodynamics, and they did it for me, free of charge. All I had to do was park my car on the street one night. And I had only parked this car throughout its whole ownership under my name once on the street, and that's what happened. Anyway, like I said, we've got to clean this out, so we are doing that. Once it's cleaned out, we also have Chef Hen's oil in there. Once it's cleaned out, we can put the new battery in there. Wow, I think we're gonna have to cut that out and weld in something new. But yes, this is gonna be fun. There's actually a bandage in there. Wow, that's great. That's great. Let's go get the battery and put it in. Okay, there's the battery. Next up, we gotta get the diff out the car. I have not been going to gym, so I'm gonna have to try and lift this. You think I can lift that by myself?
No.
Come on.
I don't think so.
It's not that heavy.
Nice.
push it back up.
Yeah.
I'm very interested in how it's gonna start. Yeah, well, this is just for fun. See how that I missed this car.
Why'd she die?
Ultimate fire.
Okay, let's go again. Yeah, that's good.
Let's get started. Okay, to get started, I think emptying this car out before cleaning it up is really important. And what's easy is pretty much nothing's connected, so you can take it all out really easily. There we go. Come on out, baby. There you go. One seat removed from a car. That's what you call race car things, when things just get removed really easily. Might need help with this one. Okay. This is gonna be quite a cleanup process, eh? Like, I hope you know that.
Yeah.
Could you just help me get that?
Yeah.
We need to get this seat out. Whoa!
Whoa. Oh. Yeah, a lot easier. So maybe you were missing the brains a bit.
Usually that's the problem. I'm gonna go get the magic inside.
This is what we call our Rust-Oleum shrine. So we have all sorts of stuff like motor wax. We've got loads of cleaning supplies. They're new. Any green one is their new range that is specifically for washing cars. Then they've got all sorts of paint, peel coats, fabric and vinyl paint, which I think we might need to use, lens tint, and wheel colors. Oh, nice. Then we've got some headlight restorer, which we're going to need to use, some tire shine, that's for way later, leather cream, definitely need to use it, wax and tar remover, trim and bumper paint, yes, and engine enamel. So let's grab some special ones from in here that we're definitely going to need. Glass cleaner, yes. Interior detailer, yes. Nope, yes. This is one of those cool nozzle clip-ons. We don't have a nozzle in the front, but we're definitely going to use this to wash that car. Let's go.
Water?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Rust-Oleum tastes so good. Ready for the hose down?
Yeah. That's dirt immediately, wow. Okay, all the stickers are coming off. Worried about the paint though. Ah. Oh wow.
Oh no.
Whee. Okay.
Okay,
Last
wipe
thing.
down. Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, wait, I got one question for you. What's been your favorite memory
Mine.
from this car so far?
Learning to do donuts in it. We did that in this car together. My first donut ever.
You know what mine was?
What?
That curfew club where I hit a pavement while I was doing donuts. I blew the tires off while doing donuts for everyone.
Oh.
Cool, that was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
I love putting on a show with this stuff.
Yeah. Okay, let's get it all scrubby and soapy. Can we get it soapy now?
No. No, not at all.
How old it is.
I'm done. Car's ready to rip.
Let's get the cat hair off the roof. There's a trick where you use a razor to get cat hair off roofs.
Like a shaving blade.
But we have a little blade from one of those standy knives.
Yeah.
So we're gonna use that instead. Let's see how it works.
Let's see.
Okay, let's start.
Shit. But you gotta go. Goodness. Okay, you scrape out, collect hairballs. As we stand here, the car's getting dirty again. It's pretty.
We need a car, like a thing that protects us from these trees.
Let us know, because we're doing a lot of house DIY at the moment. Because let us know if you want to see some of the DIY stuff, like putting up a carport, or we're currently working on a dungeon in our house, and you could see the transformation of us turning a pool into a dungeon / office.
That is connected to the house. You literally go downstairs from the kitchen into an old pool.
Wow, these hairballs are... This is being really effective. But I think I should probably help, and it will go twice as fast.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna help, and then we'll get back to you guys. Okay. Oh, you want to clean the glass?
Yeah.
Clean the glass up, and then I think this girl needs an industrial vacuum. And then we've done pretty well for the day. I think we've given this car an industrial clean. It's looking a lot better. It started.
With it.
I think I can turn that down. With or without seats?
Without seats.
Without seats. Okay, that's a great way to end this off.
But I'm not sitting in that, so let's finish cleaning.
Okay.
I love making things clean.
Is that why you... Worked out well for me.
I'm tired. Last thing I think we need to do is just wipe down everything here so we don't die and get an asthmatic attack while we're in there. Right?
Yeah, right. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Okay.
I feel weirdly low. You're doing great, babe. Okay, she's going, she's going, she's going. Oh my goodness. We're driving, people. Have you ever seen like this in the car?
I'm honestly just trying to keep it moving.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Let's go. Yes, okay, so Matthew's got to brake and put gas at the same time. That's why we're driving like this.
Oh, I missed this car. Oh, I missed this car. So
There's a lot going on.
Like I said, part 2 is going to be fixing some seats in here so we can be a bit more comfy and actually see what's going on. It's going to be fixing the throttle cable and trying to diagnose the misfire.
Yeah.
Which we learned is going to be pretty difficult because there's no OBD sensor in this car, so we've got to really dig in for it. So that's going to be it. But it's like getting anything going.
What is it?
Takes
Small steps in the right direction.
Yeah, let's do it.